Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Gently heat 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream in a saucepan over medium-low heat until it's steaming, but not boiling. Have a mixing bowl and whisk ready for the next steps. Now, let's temper the eggs. In your mixing bowl, whisk the egg yolks, sugar, and salt together until the mixture is light in color and creamy. Gradually, and I mean slowly, pour the hot milk into the egg mixture while continuously whisking. This crucial step prevents the eggs from cooking too quickly and ensures a perfectly smooth custard. Once tempered, pour the entire mixture back into the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula. Continue stirring until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon. This usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Aim for a temperature of around 175 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal consistency. To ensure a silky smooth texture, strain the cooked custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This removes any small bits of cooked egg. Cover the surface of the custard directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Finally, chill your delicious custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until thoroughly set, then enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.